This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to change your Amazon Audible plan. So I'm right here on my Amazon Audible account. You'll need to be logged into yours via your Amazon account. Now we will come up to the top right. We see this hi section here, hi, comma. It's just got Mr. for mine. So I hover over that and we have your membership level, your current membership level. I have the Audible Premium Plus right now. So at the very top, we click on View Membership Details. And now we have a whole bunch of different settings and options right here. So this is the current membership. It tells you how many free credits you have, when your next bill date is. If you actually want to change your plan, so you can pause right here, you can cancel just by clicking these buttons. If you want to change your plan, you can click on Switch Membership, and then the options available for annual and monthly will be displayed there. It will show your current plan, and you can select any of these plans. So if you want to change your plan, that is what you do right there. If you're watching this video because you want to pause, you will click pause. And of course, if you want to just cancel your membership, delete the membership completely, you can click on cancel membership, which I'm not going to do right now as I quite like my Audible membership as it currently stands. So hopefully you found this video on how to change your Audible plan useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.